don't know. Have I traded in my morals at this point? I don't even know. Ayo, welcome back to the channel. I'm Shay Cray for those of you who don't know, and we are back with yet another live unboxing video. I'm bringing you something today I never thought I would say. New Balance. Them two words, yeah? New Balance. I cuss New Balance. I'm not gonna hold you yet. I have cussed New Balance from day one. Like, if you caught me on like Instagram or other socials, or even on the SWO podcast, which I'm a part of, you can check that all down below. I cuss New Balance. Like, I'm not even gonna hold you and pretend. I've said from day one, it's a dead crepe. It's a dad crepe. It's going on a picnic crepe. Doing my Duke at Edinburgh crepe. I ain't been on it. I'm not gonna hold you, yeah? But I'm not saying that I'm now just jumping on the bandwagon. I might be jumping on the bandwagon. But I can't deny that they have been doing bits right now. Like, everyone I know right now is copying New Balance. So they must be doing something right. Ever since they did the Joe Freshgoods collab, like, it has turned my head a little bit. And I just feel like, how can I sit here and chat about crepes and be a sneaker gal or whatever without at least giving them a go? So that's what we're going to do. These are a JD exclusive. They want a JD exclusive. I wanted ACS sneakers. Go hit him up because he's got the ones that I wanted. But I thought, it's my first New Balance. Let's just cop a pair. Let's roll with it. So let's open them up. So as always on this channel, I commit to not opening these up until I'm on camera here with you guys. So here they are. Still yet to even open up the packaging here. But if you're liking this video or any of my others, or you found it helpful in any way, if you wouldn't mind dropping a like, a comment, maybe even subscribing, that would be blessed. Let's see. First box peep. Okay, little sleek box. Okay. So what we have on the box, plain grey box with the NB New Balance logo on the front of the box. The side, there's nothing really to chat about, more just New Balance branding. But they do have nice little things, so you can actually pick up your crepe, which actually is quite useful. Other side is the exact same, apart from it has the sizing information. I didn't have a clue what to get in New Balance, so if you know me, I'm a range of a size. I can fit a 4.5 to 5.5, 6Y, whatever. So I just went straight down the middle, split the difference, and I went for a 5. Okay, so on the inside, hopefully you can see this. We just got some tissue paper, again with the generic branding. New Balance, says New Balance, little MBs all over the joint. But yeah, I'm a bit surprised because, I don't know, it's for some reason I'm just expecting so much because I've heard so much gasness, and this is very plain. But I guess it's not a special edition pair or nothing, but yo. Alright, let's take a little peep in it. I feel, yeah, I'm low-key vexed because I feel like I'm gonna like them, and then I'm just gonna have to turn around and be like, yeah, I was wrong. And I'm a woman. I don't want to admit I'm wrong. I'm never wrong, okay? Jeez, okay. See, look, they look nice. Damn. I still don't know if I can get over the geography teacher vibes though. I don't know if I can. I don't know why. I don't know if it's the way the overlays have been laid on here, but it's giving me kind of a Balenciaga vibe. Am I the only one? I don't know. Okay, let's get into the details. What we have here are some women's 878. They say these are a grey and silver colorway. Although it is mainly grey, the silver only really hits on the branding on the N on the side paneling. But we do have this mesh upper with suede and leather overlays. And like I said, the material is nice. You can feel straight away that this is quality. And now I kind of get a little bit of the hype of what people have been saying about it. If we want to head towards the tongue, it just again has more of this mesh with the New Balance 878 on there. Again, more of this kind of charcoal, darker grey for the lace. Definitely matches everything up. I don't believe there are any spare laces, but again, what I normally say is a lot of the time they get it right on the laces. I can't lie, I wouldn't swap these out. Heading towards the toe box, we do have a bit of this silver. It kind of looks like reflective of 3M, although I don't think it is. I could be wrong, but it just adds a nice little extra hint on there. In some of the suede, we do also have more New Balance branding. Well, we have the number. We've got the 878 in here in a kind of like stitch. If you want to head towards the back and the heel of the crepe, we again have more branding, more New Balance in this stitching. We also have more silver, a nice little handy pull tab to help get your crepes on. But we also do have this bubble that kind of reminds me of like an Air Max bubble, but it is the absorb technology that is in New Balance. I've heard that these are super cushioned, super comfy. I guess I'll know when I put it on my feet. That kind of takes us into this stacked midsole. It is nice and chunky. They've kind of switched on me a little bit because, like I said, it's always given me dad vibes, but this is a little bit more fashionable than your typical dad vibes. I know dad crepes came a big thing last year, especially with the chunk and Yeezy and all of that. But yeah, the midsole for me is doing bits. Outsole is also made of this gripped rubber. You can tell on the sole as well that you're gonna have good grip on this. I've never seen this. This is all brand new to me. But all it says is New Balance, more branding. We've got this endurance on here. But it looks like you're going to be nice and sturdy in these. If we want to head inside, the sole actually says New Balance running in this. I don't see anyone running in this personally. Like, with this, I don't know. Running just seems like cold and miserable and raining, and why would anyone run? And that's why I'm getting chubby. But I wouldn't look at this as a running crepe. It definitely seems more fashionable. But hey, do whatever you want to do in your crepes. That's your business. The inside and the sock lining though is super soft. Like, I'm actually a little bit taken back by that. Like, people were saying the quality is good, and I keep saying this, but I am genuinely kind of shook on the quality. As you know, these are my first pair, so I can't give you an extensive rundown on sizing. But for me, personally, when I slipped these on, a 5 was perfect for me. So I would say it would sit in your true to size range. Maybe for some people, if you're wider footed or whatever, half a size difference or whatever. But for me, on mine, a perfect true to size. Another thing I like to do on this channel is give a little bit of heat, a little bit of a gas rating. And I'm going to have to explain this one, but I'm giving this an 8. Now, and hold up. Hold up before you start dragging me, right? Are they the best looking crepe I've ever seen? No, I'm still not gonna go into a store and go to the New Balance section first. It's not gonna happen. Maybe I'm too egotistical, and the fact that I wanna go out when I'm on road, I wanna have the heat, and I don't think this is the heat. But is it a nice looking shoe? Yes. Is the quality there? Yes. Is it got a banging price point? Yes. I swear these were only like 90 quid. Was a little bit vexed. I had a discount code. It wouldn't work. Not that I'm salty or anything, but still a banging price point for what you get. And it is a nice looking thing. Little, I don't know, going down shop, going wherever. I would definitely recommend having a couple pairs of New Balances in your collection. I can't believe I've said that out loud. I'm now finna get dragged. But yeah, I've got to give it a solid 8 because of this, I would probably pick up a New Balance again. Okay guys, so thanks for checking in with me again this week and having a little rundown on my first ever New Balance, isn't it? Like, it's blessed. I'm glad we did this together, innit? But if you want to come see me get dragged about liking New Balance, you can come over to the SWO podcast where I am at. You can alternatively find me on Instagram or TikTok at Shay Cray. And if you want to chat, those places are all good, or you can either drop a comment down below. But until the next one, peace, love, and I'm out. Watch me get roasted in 3, 2, 1. I'm a little bit vexed now because I was going to send them back and I low-key like them. I'm going to get dragged in the group chat. Nobody say nothing to me, yeah? Do I keep these? Let me know below, innit? Let me know if I keep these because I've made a lot of bad decisions this month. So let me know.